Greetings, mortals. This is Shadina, the ultimate life form, and welcome to Press the Button, or will you press the button?
Rouge! I just hit 1K!
What the hell? What the hell? Wait, Mighty The Armadillo, what are you doing here?
Oh, I thought Rouge was here.
No, she's not. She said she had something to do with, taking the trash out for some strange reason, but what the hell are you even doing here anyways?
So, I just hit 1K on my channel, and I was about to, like, celebrate with a few buddies. But I guess here we are.
Yeah, well, hopefully she doesn't ignore her text messages. I'll let her know that some irrelevant character is, celebrating. But, anyway...
Excuse me, what was that?
You heard me. Anyways, what was it? Mighty, righty, lefty, yeah, armadillo. There we go.
Oh wait, now I remember you. You're the person that got shocked by Chris.
Don't remind me of that, okay? It took me an hour to finally regain movement.
Well, for me, my shell can just deflect it.
Damn character plots. But anyways, you'll also address me as Shadina, or the ultimate life form.
More like the ultimate thought.
What did you just call me?
Nothing.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But anyways, Mr. 1K, since you're here, maybe you want to play a game with me.
Sure, why not? I got nothing better to do right now.
Alright then. So, I'm about to play this game called Will You Press the Button here. Pretty much it's like one of those website games like Would You Rather, but this one is more like a yes or no thing here from what I've heard. Pretty much I know that it was supposed to be at letting you know, there's something that happens, but there's a condition, and you get to decide whether or not you want to press the button. Sound easy enough?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. So this one here, you will get every champion and skin in the game League of Legends, but you would have to play Teemo at least twice after every victory. Okay.
I haven't really played League of Legends.
Yeah, me neither, so... take that no. And looks like that 63% did not press the button, so I guess we actually got some smart people around.
Yes, indeed.
Alright, so... Oh, what's this? You will fall into the arms of the love of your life, but you will both die after 1 month passes.
I will not.
I would. I mean, as long as I feel the arms of Sonic around me, even if we die after 1 month, at least we both die together.
Yes, but what if that actually didn't happen?
Don't rub it in my face. And 74% did not hit the button, so they agree with you, and 26% pretty much agreed with me. So, where are the 26%?
Master Moss always said, patience is a virtue. And everything happens for a reason.
Yeah, like how soon Sonic will be mine.
Well then, haven't you given Knuckles a shot though?
No. Yeah, no, because one, he has stolen Rouge from Shadow, and two, oh my god, he is the biggest simp of them all and refuses to admit it. Anyway.
Well, he already lost no Sim September. I remain the king.
Anyways. Oh, what's this? You can read the minds of animals, but you can't stop hearing their thoughts. Okay, okay, makes sense then.
I will not.
You won't, huh? Well, yeah, you're right. I don't want to...
Imagine how many thoughts they have.
I hope you mean by their mind.
Yes.
Okay, good.
What did you think I meant?
Well, with how many times people keep calling me a thought lately. Oh, well, 56% seem to not press the button, while 44 decided to be bothered with their pet's thoughts. Anyways, I'm sure maybe you might like this one here. You have unlimited money, but you can only buy hookers.
Question: what are hookers?
You don't know what a hooker is? Yeah, well...
Now, if this was my buddy Knuckles doing this, I'm pretty sure he would do this immediately. But me, I am a pure man, so I will not.
Yeah, I prefer to... Well, yeah, I will admit, though, maybe a hooker every once in a while seems nice. However, I prefer to
What if
save...
one of them was Sonic?
Well, if it was Sonic, then... there we go. But, however, I think I'd rather save that money for Sonic. And 55% are smart, and 45%, like you said, did not go through No Simp September.
Well, that's interesting.
Okay, oh, what's this? Your body will be in a good shape no matter what, but your voice will be super high-pitched.
I mean, I don't have to worry about that. I already have good shape.
Oh, someone's quite a show-off.
Well, that's what everyone says, though.
Yeah, well, I definitely know I'm already in good shape. But, a super high-pitched voice? Yeah, nah. I think I'll leave that to Sonica to deal with. And 53% prefer not to press the button, while the 47%, good luck.
This reminds me of that one scene in the first Grown Ups movie, where, like, they were checking out this man who looked like the best person in the world. But, in reality, he has a super high-pitched voice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That sounds hilarious. I gotta check out that movie. Anyways. Ooh. So, you will find your true love, but live... Wait, somebody can't grammar here, but I think they mean but live on a different continent.
This one is quite an interesting question. I know a bunch of people do, like, long-distance relationships already. Wait, actually, hang on. Let me ask a question first. Is this saying that your lover would have to live in another continent, or you live there with her?
I think they mean your lover has to live on a different continent.
I will not.
Well, if Sonic ends up living on a different continent and I'm able to find him, then I definitely will. Haha! 68% agree with me with the button, and 32% are still holding up for whatever. They prefer to live in close proximity with who they hate.
So does that make us tied right now?
I think so. Let's see. Let's do a few more here and we'll call it a day. Let's see. Oh, you can meet any known celebrity that is currently alive. This includes actors, musicians, and fictional characters alike. But after meeting said person, they contract a fatal disease that causes them to die within a month. Oh boy.
So wait, does that mean it would stick onto you as well?
That's honestly a good question. I guess it all depends upon the disease. I mean, you can't really catch cancer.
I will not, because as long as I have my friends, I am fine.
Yeah, I will not either, even though it's hard for me to even catch a disease. I mean, I'm the ultimate life form. We can't catch any illnesses. And plus I'm designed to cure fatal diseases. And
Is
60
that so?
Yeah, and 60% seem to agree with us, and 40 prefer to to at least meet their favorite celebrity for the first time before they die. But yeah, pretty much you've met or you know Shadow the Hedgehog, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so mainly because of the fact that he's the ultimate life form, I'm the ultimate life form. Technically, I have his... Okay, so long story short, technically I have his memories, but somehow, for me to become to life, I originated from Sonic's dreams, and some weird magic, dark magic of some sorts have brought me to life, and now here I am, and let's just say that technically we're both now designed to help with curing fatal diseases.
Whoa, that was an interesting story.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, what's this? You love all food. It tastes ultimately better. Yum. But you're always full. Oh dear.
But here's the thing. I have a super fast metabolism, so... Oh wait, but this would make you full anyway. I will not. Because you can still find amazing tasting food.
Yeah, that's true. Plus, I want to at least be able to eat all the very tasty food. So, even though, yeah, I need to keep my figure, but at the same time, come on, you gotta admit, food is good. Food is delicious. And 54% prefer not to hit the button. Good choice, people.
At least they're actually smart.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one will be the last one. Maybe this will help with determining a winner here. Alright, so you can alter anyone's body in any way at will, including your own, with no side effects or costs. But you become world famous. Changing people becomes a full-time job, and a group of natural body extremists will make an assassination attempt on you monthly.
See, I won't have to worry about that because of my hard shell.
Well, yeah, and plus it's hard, and plus even they could try assassinating me all they want, but it'd be difficult to kill me. But it's still gonna be painful if they actually get a hit.
I will not.
You know what? Yeah, I'll man up. I'll do it. Yeah! Looks like I'm the winner here, 63%.
This game was kinda confusing anyway.
Oh, what's the matter? A bit of a sore loser there, Mighty?
I'm not saying I'm like mad that I lost. I'm simply saying maybe next time. But for now, nice victory.
Well, thank you, Mighty. For somebody who's irrelevant, you're not that bad. Anyways, so this is the end of the video here, guys. If you like what you saw, feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also subscribe to Mighty here. See if maybe he can actually get past that 1K barrier. But in the meantime, this is Shadina, the ultimate life form, signing out.
Farewell, Mighty Squad.